All right, today we're going to set up this RADDY weather station. It's a model number WF-100C lite, and we're going to take it and we're going to put it right up here on top of that post. That'll put it in a good spot to collect all the data that it needs. All right, what do we got here? Simple setup guide. I'll probably use that. It's got a 49-page manual. Lots of features on this unit. Tells you how to set it all up. All right, in the box we got mounting plate, mounting hardware. This is the outdoor sensor. Got a little level here so you can level it out. Place for some batteries. Comes with some hardware. Comes with a white box that contains a plug that must be for the indoor unit. This is the indoor unit. Should have so it can stand on a shelf. Looks like we've got a mounting bar. So that goes in here. All right, first we'll start off by getting the batteries installed. Okay, so those batteries are for the outdoor sensor unit, but there's also the solar panels on here. So the solar panel will capture the light, provide a little power to this baby during the daytime. So the batteries help power the outdoor sensor unit, and so does this built-in solar panel. This is your rain collection. I've been looking at this, and I think what I'm going to do is take that little solar piece of junk cap that I have on the top of that post. I'm going to take that down and mount this right on top of that post. As we're heading into fall, let me just say this. There won't be many more days of this weather coming our way. The unit does come with some stainless steel mounting hardware, so that's a good thing. So I'm just going to mount this up here. All right, so far, pretty painless. We'll mount this, and there's some hardware that holds it to the base, and we'll get that installed. Okay. This thing is anything but level. Put a level on it anyway. Be a bit of a challenge here. All right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten up these turnbuckles. All right, let's see if we gained anything on that. Okay, I guess I'm going to have to install some type of a shim there. I imagine if that's not level, this thing's not going to spin correctly. All right, so I made a little bit of a change, and I ended up having to use some stainless steel washers to just shim it out to try to get it as level as I could. As you can see, I got it pretty level, both directions. Now we'll go ahead and get the outdoor sensor unit installed. I got this thing installed so that the solar panel's facing, it's actually facing southwest, slightly west. Okay, there it is. Solar panels facing southwest. Rain collection, wind direction, wind speed. All right, we're going to go ahead and install the inside unit over here in this little corner that I have cleaned out. This cord gets plugged into the side, and I have an outlet right up here for it. Okay. All right, what a nice color screen. Hopefully you can see that pretty well. There's probably a lot of glare there. So we have the outdoor temperature, and we have the percentage of humidity. We have the average wind speed. Right now it's 1.1, gusting up to 1.6, and the wind is blowing to the south. No rain. The barometric pressure is 29.9. I got to fix the date. The inside temperature is 80, which I don't believe, but I'm going to give it a minute to acclimate. I haven't opened the owner's manual yet, so it looks like the communication between the inside and the outside is good. We got, looks like 4 bars. 2:02 is the time. Today's date is September 21st. All right, so it appears as though it's that easy. You can set it up. Like I said, I haven't used the owner's manual yet. All right, let's go look at this quick start guide and see what that has to say. All right, there's a lot of features on this weather station. Like I said, I did the initial setup without any instructions, so it's pretty simple. One of the features is this weathercloud.net, and you can go in and create an account, and then what you do is you log in, and I believe, if I'm reading this properly, it looks like once you have your account set up, you're part of this weather network, and your information is being shared on this web page so that others can see what the weather is in your area. So, all right, there it is, the RADDY weather station. If you're looking for one for your house, you might want to give this one a look. Seems like it's pretty easy to set up. It's got this nice color screen, and it gives you all the information you would ever need about the weather in your area. Before we go, it's been a couple days since I installed the weather station. I just want to show you a few things. You know, we had some rain last night. It rained most of the day on and off. So it's showing here that we've had ½ inch of rain. And then if I toggle through using the max minimum button, you can see that over the last hour we've had 0.18 inches of rain, and we've also had a wind gust of 6.7 miles per hour with an average of 4.7. So overall, the weather station seems to be working out pretty well. The color screen is great. You can also change the brightness of that screen. If you're looking for a weather station, check out this RADDY weather station. It might be exactly what you're looking for. That's it for this video. If you made it to the end, you're better than most. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching.